Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we are using the color of yellow and now we are coloring the shape of star. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are coloring the shape of star and the next one is pentagon. Subscribe to our channel. First we are using the color of yellow. Now we're mixing and using yellow color. The next one is square. The shape of square. Now we are using the color of red. Now we are using red color. The next one is triangle. We are again using red color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. Now we are using the color of blue. So now we are using the color of blue. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are again using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Today we coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.